Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country in Bideford here. Today I am at my latest listing, which is Cranford Farm, a 4/5 bedroom property, which unusually has 2 lakes with it. The largest being 1.5 acres in size. So if you're interested in this one, come and have a look. As you'd expect with any period farmhouse, the kitchen really is the hub of the home, a hive of activity, and this kitchen is no exception. Offering 18-foot dimensions, it features granite work surfaces, Belfast sink, Rangemaster double oven, and loads of space to dine with guests. But just before I cast off to my next appointment, I just wanted to reintroduce you to the lake that I mentioned earlier. 1.5 acres. There are 2 fishermen's huts here, one at each opposite end of the lake. So for any keen fishermen out there, if you do want to offer this out to local fishermen or the tourist trade, there are also washing facilities and toilets nearby as well. If you're interested in Cranford Farm, then do give Fine & Country a call today on 01 237 426 018. Thank you.